This proximity to the Siddha has the power to change you. And proximity just doesn't mean the body. Proximity means the word, the knowledge, the sadhana. किसी भी तरीके से तुम अपनी प्रॉक्सिमिटी बढ़ाओ। और जरूरी नहीं इसका मतलब कि बाबा जी तुम्हारे सामने बैठे, बाबा जी के शब्द तुम्हारे कान में भी प्रॉक्सिमिटी होती है, बाबा जी की फोटो तुम्हारी जेब में भी प्रॉक्सिमिटी होती है, बाबा जी का ध्यान तुम्हारे हृदय में भी प्रॉक्सिमिटी होती, पर प्रॉक्सिमिटी होनी तो चाहिए। And so many Shiv yogis I know, they say, Bhaiya, so much chaos was about to happen, and then I did the dhyan and I invoked the siddhas and the proximity happened, and then hum phat swaha, chaos go away. Or even if the chaos is there, I am the happy pappu. The pappu means elephant. So the happy pappu in melted ice. And forest अपना फूक फाक के खत्म हो जाता है, मैं खुश प्रोटेक्टेड अपना निकल जाता। Is the power of satsang. Because then satsang create in you shraddha and samarpan. Shraddha means faith, love. And I tell you, because these are the traits. Parshuram said, why me? Why I am getting Tripura Rahasya? You are Parshuram today. You have these traits inside you, and I want you to recognize them. And if somewhere in your psyche they are like a little plant ignored with 2 leaves, I want you to find it. And I want you to water it. And I want you to make it a big jhad. So even the God is seeing that do you have the shraddha, the love, the faith? And faith is just, it is an acceptance. Do you believe in the sun? The sun? Can you see the sun right now? The ones who can see, but my point is the sun is outside, and you accept that it is outside, and you have faith when you'll walk out, you'll see it. There is a simple acceptance कि सुबह होगी ऊपर जाएगा, कहां से जाएगा, हमें क्या पर जाएगा. And if somebody comes to your life and says tomorrow sun won't come up, you'll say have a heart. And he'll say, how you can be so sure sun will come tomorrow? You'll like, hey, dofer. The sun will come. I know it will. How you know? I know it will. You go. And the other person can have panic attack, anxiety, and you will just look at him and either feel confused or smile because you know sun is going to come up. The same a Shiv yogi, as he does his sadhana, as he starts to go deeper into a state of spiritual bliss, he starts to develop faith towards the holy siddhas and the Shiv Shiva. And when somebody asks him, how you know good and positive thing will happen in your life, the same way you know how sun will rise tomorrow, I know. I accept.